Want to ensure the safety of your loved ones and your safety when you are traveling? Then this ritual is for you. This is something that you need to make and keep in your vehicle, whether it's your car or your two-wheeler. It's a very easy and effective ritual that you can do. For this ritual, you need one bay leaf. On that bay leaf, you are going to write the number of your vehicle. You can use any color pen, sketch pen, or marker, it doesn't matter. So write the vehicle number once on the bay leaf, and if the bay leaf is torn, broken, that doesn't matter either. You can use whatever you have at home. Then you need a little bit of salt, any salt that you have, pink Himalayan salt, rock salt, table salt, whatever you have at home, take a little bit of that. And you need some dried mint leaves. Okay, so dried mint leaves, salt, and a bay leaf with the number written on it. Now all of this you're going to put in a glass jar or in a cloth pouch. Any color cloth pouch is okay. Put it in it. Now hold this pouch, or if you're using a glass jar, hold it in your hand and chant the mantra Om Gam Ganapate Namaha. Chant this 11 times, and then you're going to keep this in your car or your two-wheeler.